Good morning, the students of class 6. Welcome to our e-learning class. Today, in our social science geography class, I will revise the first chapter of your geography book. It is the Earth and the solar system. And today, I will discuss the main points from this subunit one by one. That the whole sky is filled with the tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim, some appear to be twinkling, and others simply glow without any flicker like moon. So you have seen that in the night sky, in the clear night sky, all the tiny objects twinkling, and some are not twinkling in the night sky. And out of these objects, some objects are with flickers and some objects without flicker. And moon is like another object that is not shining, not so, it's not twinkling, it's small. And at least one day, the moon, we cannot see the moon totally. And this things is called new moon or Amavasya. And the full moon, it is also called Purnima. So moon appear at different times in different shapes and different positions in the night sky. We have seen that. And once in a month we see the full moon. We have seen different shapes in different parts of the sky, and have actually after the sunset in the western sky we have seen the moon. But it looks differently every day. But once in a month the moon appears. The entire moon appears in front of us, and that is called full moon or Purnima. But after the Purnima, after that day, after 15 days or a fortnight, we cannot see the moon entirely. Totally we cannot see the moon. It is complete dark. That day was called Amavasya or new moon. Why we cannot see the shining objects of the night sky in day? Because of the very bright sunlight. Because of the very bright sunlight, every object of the night sky totally covered, and that's why in the daylight we cannot see all those all those objects of the night sky. So now what is celestial bodies? So all the sun. So what is celestial body? The sun, the moon, all the shining objects on the night sky you have seen. All these objects totally called celestial bodies, and these are called celestial bodies. But some objects also not shine in the night sky. Those are also celestial bodies. Now, what is stars? That some celestial bodies are very big and hot, and they are made up of gases, and they have their own light and heat. They are called stars. So all in the night sky, all the shining objects, those objects are shining, and most of them are very big and hot. And those celestial bodies also made up with gases like hydrogen, helium, other gases, and they have their own light and heat. And these shining objects are called, or celestial bodies are called, stars. And the nearest star to our earth, it is the sun. It gives us light and heat, and it is the main source of the life also in the earth. Now we will discuss about the constellation. What is constellation? That the various patterns formed by different group of stars in the night sky called constellation. Actually, when we see in the night sky that there are different patterns formed by a group of stars, and those patterns, sometimes it looks like a question mark, sometimes it looks like a bear, sometimes it looks like a lion or other human being or a hunter. So all these things called constellation. And Ursa Major and seven sages or Saptarshi, these are the example of some constellations. And these seven sages or Saptarshi made with seven stars a group of 7 stars and formed a part of Ursa Major. And if we connect the Saptarshi with the Ursa Major, then we found that it is also become a part of the Ursa Major or Big Bear. Sometimes we call the Ursa Major a Big Bear. So the example of constellation is Ursa Major or Big Bear. It looks like a big bear. 7 sages or Saptarshi, it looks like this type, a question mark. 7 stars were there and looks like almost, if we join them, it look like a question mark. So it is 7 sages. It is made up with a group of 7 stars and formed a part of Ursa Major or Big Bear constellations. And there are so many constellations in the night sky nearest to our Earth, such as the Leo, the Virgo, the Gemini, etc. I will revise once again. The first one, the shining objects. What is full moon? That full moon, when moon appears in the night sky and the entire moon appears, it is full moon. After a fortnight or 15 days, we have seen a complete dark sky when moon is totally disappeared from our sight. It is the new moon or Amavasya. Another thing, next, the celestial bodies, all the sun, moon and other shining objects, they are celestial bodies. And then the stars, the celestial bodies with their own heat, light and made up with gases. And last one, the constellation, the various patterns found by the different group of stars. So that's all from today's class. I hope you have understood. Next class will come with another subunit from history. So till then, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.